Have you ever wondered why some people grow rich while others keep living paycheck to paycheck, even when they earn the same amount? It's not about how much money you make. It's about how smartly you use it. This video isn't just another finance talk. It's your wake-up call. If you're tired of watching your money disappear every month, stay with me. In just 4 minutes, I'll show you the simple mindset shift that turns average earners into smart money masters. Let's break the cycle right now. The term smart money isn't just about investing like a Wall Street pro. It's about having control. It's about making every dollar work for you, not against you. Step 1. Know where your money goes. Sounds simple, right? But here's the truth. Most people don't track their spending. Grab a notebook or a free app and track every expense for 1 month. You'll be shocked. That daily coffee or random online shopping. Smart money starts with smart awareness. Step 2. The 50-30-20 rule. It's not a trend, it's a proven budgeting method. A 50% of your income goes to needs. B 30% to wants. C 20% to savings and debt repayment. It builds discipline without forcing you to live like a monk. You're in control, not your cravings. It's tempting to save whatever is left at the end of the month. But let's be real. Usually, nothing is left. Flip the script. Automate your savings the day you get paid. Whether it's $10 or $100, saving first is what smart money habits look like. Step 4, make your money grow. Saving is smart, but investing is smarter. You don't need thousands to start. Apps now let you invest with pocket change. Start small, learn consistently, and let compound interest do its magic. Remember, financial freedom doesn't come from hard work alone. It comes from making your money work harder than you do. Step 5. Avoid emotional spending. We all do it. Buying stuff when we're stressed, bored, or celebrating. Pause. Ask, do I need this, or is this a distraction? Delayed gratification is a power move. Be the master, not the slave of your wallet. Being smart with your money isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. The goal isn't just to survive. It's to build a life where you don't have to check your balance before going out for coffee. If this video helped you think differently, smash that like button, and if you want more real-world money tips, hit subscribe. This is just the beginning. The smart money journey starts now.